not for everybody.
No, not for everyone, but here is what I need you to know for today is that the rain chances are there along with mild temperatures, but no, it's not for everyone. Colder air then will sink into the area Tuesday into Wednesday, so don't expect the mild weather to stick around. And then added precip looking like it could be possible Wednesday night, and I'm calling it precip because some locations close to the Red River could see a winter mix, and I'll get to that. But first, what I want to talk you through is what it looks like across the country. We've got a big cold front dropping into the plains. That's what's going to cool us down midweek. Right now, though, we have this disturbance coming in from the south that's helping bring in those added rain chances along with that Gulf moisture. That's the reason why areas to our south are seeing a higher rain chance, a higher rain coverage than we are here locally. Areas pretty much south of Interstate 20 seeing the scattered showers at the moment, and we'll continue to see that throughout the remainder of the morning into the early afternoon hours. Even some moderate to heavy rain just south of Corsicana along Interstate 45. Here's the breakdown of rain coverage. The Metroplex, 20% coverage. The more south you go, we are going to see closer to a 40% coverage. This is in south central Texas where we will have that highest rain coverage. And this is what it could look like on radar and satellite. Mostly cloudy the remainder of the day. Temperature climbs to the low 60s, all thanks to that south wind still pouring in. We'll continue to see the scattered showers and maybe even an isolated thunderstorm south of the area, mostly south of Interstate 20 throughout the remainder of the day. It clears out overnight. We have that front that I told you about coming in tonight. That's going to produce the potential for some fog very early on Tuesday. And then Tuesday afternoon, we do clear out. Here's how the rest of your day plays out. Temperatures will climb into the upper 50s by around 1. Best chance for rain here locally in the Metroplex. I'm thinking between 1 and about 2 in the afternoon. And then our temperatures drop about 56 degrees on Tuesday, 46 degrees on Wednesday, the coldest day of the week before our temperatures moderate a little bit as we approach the weekend. Our rain coverage again, not a lot, but on Wednesday we have another potential for it, this time closer to the Red River. Let me show you what that'll look like. That front sinks in Tuesday night into Wednesday. That cold air sinks in. A little disturbance builds in from the west, and this is what brings us the potential for some moderate potential across the panhandle for some winter precip. The closer it gets to the North Texas, the drier it gets. So we're not expecting to see anything widespread, but we could see a little something close to the Red River. No impacts expected, no accumulations expected. As far as rainfall amounts, it's not looking like a lot. Over the next 7 days, it's not looking like a lot. We'll see anywhere between a trace to about 1/10 of an inch accumulation. Tonight, 38 degrees. We'll see some areas of patchy fog. I know I just threw a lot of information at you, so let's break it down. Today, 20% chance or coverage of rain, a high of 62. Tonight, that cold front comes in. It knocks the rain out of here. 54 degrees for the high. 46 for the high on Wednesday. Wednesday all day is going to stay chilly. On Wednesday night into Thursday, that's when we have that potential for another round of rain to move in. Coverage will be very light. Temperatures moderate into the 60s for Saturday and Sunday with sunshine.